Was explaining the Ray-Ban Metas. They're excellent. We have an app called Company Cam. When you open the app, and you go to your client's property that you're quoting, it'll say upload photos. And when I go to upload photos, you can pick the last 30 days or the last 12 months, which is really helpful because I might have quoted the neighbor 10 months ago, but I just talked to this person and this is who I want. So instead of giving me all this stuff that's not really related to them, it allows me to narrow it down to 30 days and get the most relevant pictures for that client that I want them to attach to. I'm taking pictures and video here, majority on my quotes, because they're so amazing. They're not saving the date in the metadata. It saves the location, doesn't save the date. And Company Cam requires a date for it to differentiate between the 30 days and the 12 months that you're filtering on to differentiate different properties. I'm going to film this and send this to Ray-Ban Meta for them to simply just add the date along with the location and all metadata from the sunglasses. There may be some privacy thing. I've already looked through the Meta app to see if there's any setting that can be changed that would allow additional information to be added to the metadata so that when I go to Company Cam, it's truly a seamless experience versus right now, I have to go through my photo library and find wherever they thought was appropriate to put these pictures and videos, and it's totally random. Ultimately get them to upload to Company Cam. So a lot of home service guys would really benefit from these glasses. And if they use a program like Company Cam, which I believe to be growing rapidly, they're not going to speak to each other for long. And right now for me, it has me in the middle of, do I stop using like sunglasses and their value goes down, or do I stop using Company Cam and figure out a different way to catalog what I'm doing, like a shared album or something like that that automatically happens?